Hi folks, over the past year or so I've been working on a new book that has nothing to do with education technologies. It's called An Australian Manufacturing and Mission Success Story. This book offers a window into Melbourne's past, told through the lives of several of my forebears, stretching back to the gold rush of the 1850s. It's centred around the gradual rise of what would become one of Australia's most successful manufacturing businesses. Alongside that, it traces the growth of Christianity in Melbourne's eastern suburbs, and it links to missionary work around the world. More than anything else, though, this is a story about the enduring power of faith, of love, service to others, and family values carried forward across generations. The paperback, the Kindle, and the hardcover editions are now available on amazon.com.au. I do hope you enjoy this book.